Internet access gives you a connection, but it doesn't automatically hand you a business or an audience. True opportunity requires taking that raw access and actively building something useful with it. That is the core idea behind 9jawap. It operates as a digital ecosystem where creators, businesses, and everyday users connect. When you create good content, promote responsibly, and engage with others, you contribute to a cycle of mutual growth. In this tutorial, our primary objective is to take a brand new blank account and engineer it into a highly optimized digital identity. Once your profile is correctly set up, we will immediately move to our second goal, drafting and publishing your first piece of community-building content. Before we begin, you need 3 things ready to go: an active 9jawap account, a clear profile picture saved to your device, and a basic goal for what you want to achieve on the platform. Making the deliberate shift from a passive scroller to an active participant is the absolute requirement for growing an audience and eventually earning income through the platform's monetization tools. Step 1 is deciding what you want to talk about. We call this your content niche. Do not view this as a permanent prison. Treat it as a 30-day testing ground to see what works. Start by picking one broad category, like technology, and break it down into 3 content pillars: tech tips, memes, and tutorials. Pay attention to comments and shares. This audience data will empirically dictate your strongest direction. Now that you have your topics, let's look at your profile. This is your digital identity, and it is the very first thing another user evaluates after seeing your content. Navigate to your profile's edit screen right now. Upload that recognizable picture you saved earlier, and tap the bio section to begin drafting your introduction. A strong bio must instantly answer 3 specific questions: who are you, what do you do, and why should someone connect with you? If you are a business, use these answers to clearly highlight what products or services you offer. If you are a creator, tell people exactly what kind of content style they can expect to see on your page. Clarity is your best tool here. A perfectly optimized profile eliminates audience confusion, making it your primary conversion tool to turn passing attention into a dedicated community. With your profile established, open the Post Composer. We are going to draft a specific tip, tutorial, or industry insight based on one of your 3 chosen pillars. If you are operating a business account, do not treat the main social feed as a dumping ground for standard advertisements. Users are looking for value, not endless sales pitches. When you have a product you specifically want to sell, you need to route that intentional promotion through 9jawap's dedicated promotional tools and the marketplace instead. For creators, originality is required. Avoid the critical error of uploading someone else's work or simply reposting videos heavily covered in watermarks from other platforms. If you use screenshots to make a point, crop them cleanly so they provide exact context and maintain the visual quality of the feed. Before publishing, run your draft through these initial gatekeepers. Does it inform, entertain, or inspire? Next, does it offer tangible help or start a conversation? Hitting just 1 mark means it passes the value threshold. Review your draft one last time, verify it passes the value threshold, and hit the Publish button. Stay on the page for a few minutes to monitor the live post. When those first comments come in, reply immediately to start fostering early connection. By holding yourself to this rigorous value threshold every time you post, you ensure your social media update transforms from digital noise into a trust-building asset. You have now successfully established a clear digital identity and deployed your first piece of value-driven ecosystem content. As you continue, you are also empowered to maintain the quality of the space. If you encounter spam or misleading content, access the toggle menu in the top right corner of the post and use the reporting tool to protect the feed. Similarly, do not attempt to manipulate the system yourself. Spamming low-effort content to chase short-term payouts will only severely damage your account standing. The 9jc minting system and premium rewards require a sustainable environment to function. Consistent, value-driven participation is the only sustainable mechanism to maintain these benefits. When you participate properly, a reliable chain reaction occurs. A useful post generates conversations. Those conversations build relationships, And over time, those relationships yield lucrative opportunities. 9jawap provides the architecture, but you have to do the work. The ultimate financial and social value you extract from the platform is entirely dependent on the structural value you build within it.